Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 47. Express 0.612 in the form x over y, where x and y are integers and y is not equal to 0. Now we have to express this in the form of fraction. Now from converting to decimal to fraction, which is noted that 0.612 is already noted as 0.612 all over 1. Now converting this to fraction simply means that what we are moving these decimal points here. Now the number of times by which this decimal point is moved will determine the number of zeros that will be added to this one. Now when we move this once, we add a 0. When we move this second time, we add another 0, and then when we move this the third time, we add another 0. So this is giving us 612 all over 1000. Now the next is what simplification of what this fraction, that is bringing it down to its lowest term. Now there's a number which is a factor of 612 and also a factor of 1000, and that number is 4. 4 we go into 612 to give us 153, and into 1000 to give us 250. So therefore the answer to this question is 153 all over 250, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.